Hey, and I'm going to show you how to create a sticker with one of my cut file alphabets. So this can be done with any of my cut files, but I'm going to start by using the new offset tool, which is in the top bar. And you can see that you've got a slider there that I can make the offset bigger or smaller. So I'm going to make it big enough that I've got quite a bit of space around, but I still have a little hole in my ice lolly as a little space. So I'm going to get it just how I like it, and then I'm going to click apply, and that will create my offset. So you can see now that it's all gone black because my letter was black. So I'm going to go into the top corner, make it peach, and then I'm going to make my S into a print and cut file. So click on operation, and down the bottom to print and cut, standard. And then I'm going to click on the colour and change my colour to a pattern. As you can see here, there's loads of lovely patterns. Now, if you've made stickers before, you'll be irregular at using this, but if you haven't, this is a great way to make stickers and use for print and cut because they're all printable, they're all really bright, and there's so many options. So this is just one, but I'm going to go for the peach, and it's like a peachy bluey, there you go, so it's like a summery colour. So all I need to do now is to convert it to a sticker, and to do that, just reposition, select all, and then in the bottom right hand corner, select flatten. And you can see what that does is it makes it into print and cut image, so that then you can send it to the printer and it will cut after. So hope that helps, and you can download the full alphabet on the blog, which you can use SVG or PNG files to make stickers or use as cut files.